Hey you guys, in today's video, I'm starting out with the Red Bull, I guess. But in today's video, we are doing this look with the new Anastasia palette, which I really did enjoy. So before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below, like this video, turn that bell on so you don't miss another upload. And I'm freezing cold, so don't bind the jacket. So like I said, we're going in with the new Anastasia palette, and we're going with the shade Cans and just popping that in the outer corner and in the crease. And I'm using the Morphe All I Want eye brush set. Just for this brush though, I do use a couple of them, so I'll definitely let you know when I do use them. While I'm blending this out, I really want you guys to let me know what you want to see on my channel as in content. Do you want to see more lifestyle? Do you want to see more tutorials? Do you want to see more reviews? Just let me know down in the comments what you want to see. And next we're taking Coastline and just blending the edges of Cans. And it's the same brush, just a different one. And do you like my blending at this speed or sped up? Let me know please. And next we're cutting our crease with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I let you guys see the whole entire thing of how I cut my crease. I literally place it on there and I look up. If it doesn't completely go, I do it again. I look up and then I got it, and then I just fill in that little space and tidy up the edges. You're not going to get it the first time, but you have to keep practicing and practicing and practicing. Maybe just practice with one eye and just keep on practicing, but you'll get it eventually. But next we're going in with Inheritance and putting that on the top of our cut crease. Basically, I had to find a brush that would pick up these shadows. That was the only thing. I'm using the Sigma, I don't know. It's a flat brush. I'll leave it listed down below like always. But I just had to play with different brushes. I switched to a Bobbi Brown brush right here. So yeah, definitely had to play with certain brushes, but I got it to work. And then we're taking probably my favorite color in the palette, Sage Shells. I believe that's how you say it, Shay. I can't even say it again. So we're taking this color and we're putting it on the bottom of the cut crease, and this was easier to put on than the yellow one. And then we're going back in with Inheritance and putting that like on top of the edge of the blue so we can blend it all together. And now we're going to take this Pop Beauty liquid shadow, I'll list it down below, and we're going to do a wing liner, and then we're going to put some on the edge of the cut crease because it wasn't as cut as I wanted it to be, so this kind of camouflages it. So if you see me do this a lot, that is why. You guys, let me know if you want to see a tonsillectomy experience video. I can definitely do that. I did take progress photos and everything, so like this video if you want me to do that. I'll do it, I'll film it, just let me know. And now onto the face. We're using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick to prime our face. I really love how airbrushed this makes my skin look. And we're going to pretty much have a two-faced base. This is the Perfect Peach Foundation, which is my favorite foundation. And I'm blending it in with the Sigma 3D Blender. This foundation is very skin-like. This is maybe the most skin-like foundation and one of the most smoothest foundations I've ever had. And now we're taking the Born This Way sculpting concealers in the shade Maple and Natural Beige and highlight and contouring, concealing, all that good stuff. This was the first time I've used these. I've been eyeballing these for a very long time because I'm getting into liquid highlight and contouring, and first impression, I really like them. I don't know how long they'll last, but I do love the finish of these, and I can go for a darker color to contour, but it does the job. You guys, I believe this is like my all-time favorite powder. This is the Rimmel Instant Matte powder, and if you don't have it, please go purchase it and try it out. It's like $4 or $5. Just try it out. It'll make your skin look so good. Like I said before, I could use a deeper shade to contour, so we're taking this Cover FX palette that I got in my BoxyCharm and contouring my face even more. And by the way, just in case you want to save a little bit of money and try some Sigma brushes, you can get this brush and any of the baking and strobing brushes or the set for 10% off using the code BAKEWITHK10. Now we're using the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia. We're taking this shade, I'm not sure what it's called because I'm not in my room. I'm not in my makeup room, I'm in my room. And we're gonna glow with this. We're gonna glow this pretty baby blue glow. Look at that. Now we're going back into the Cover FX palette that I got from my BoxyCharm and going in with the blush and blushing it up. And now we're just going to finish off the lower lash line by applying cans all over the place. But of course, we're going to blend it out with Coastline. Then we're going to pop the two pink shades in the palette in our inner corners. I took the matte one, which is called Bahamas, and popped it first, and then I took the one that starts with a P, I can't pronounce that, and popped it on top. For mascara, we're going to take the lovely Buxom Lash Mascara and pop that on our lashes. I really do like this mascara. And for lashes, we're using some Eyelure lashes, which I'll link down below. Then we're going to take my new favorite lip liner, BFF2 from Colourpop, and line our lips so we have a little base and a guideline for this lip gloss we're going to put on. For the gloss, which I've never tried Anastasia's glosses and I actually really like them. This is Saint Tropez and it's like a gold, no, it's a pink with a gold shift to it and I really like it. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really enjoyed every single product that I used in this video. I enjoyed this look and I hope you enjoyed it as well. And thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. This game get top of God. That's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, Percocet.